really morning right now, so good afternoon, I guess. But we're going to finish working on this sawmill, just putting some minor stuff on it. Don't know if it's going to run today, but got the stuff in here. Let's go ahead and get to it. All the stuff that we need to fix that. So, want to get all this out of here so I can clean up the truck? Really?
I brung that. I got to have it on me. Because if I fall and nobody's around,
You have snacks.
I'll have snacks. Julie learned me that.
That's smart.
Always have snacks with you.
Might need to start doing that myself because you never know.
You never know. Always best to have snacks with you. I'm making a lot of noise, I know.
When I get over there, do you want me to just chunk it like you
No,
did?
no.
Or set it down gently?
You sit down gently, because that jug's in there. Let's just see if he's going to set it down gently. Easy now. All right.
Notice I had the proper lifting technique. I had to use my legs instead of using my back. There toward the end, I almost forgot though about using my back and just bent over and set it down. But
Yeah, you learned that at work, didn't you?
yeah.
Yep.
Whew. Looking at the sawmill, it's kind of going that way. Like when you get right here where it's bolted together, it's moving over to the left a little. My left, I guess when you're watching it be y'all's right, but it's going that way. And we're just going to kick it over a little bit, loosen it up over there, and just kind of do as best we can to kick it back to where it's supposed to be. Because I can see the gap in that one, but not in this one. Probably no gap here, but then you can see a big gap over there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gotta loosen up. See if we can push that down. Moving the whole thing. Oddly, that's working. That's weird. That actually kind of worked when I kicked it. Got a gap. I think if I take the ratchet strap and put it up under it, it'll pull that on in. So I'll go get it, put it on that, and this one. What are this thing called again?
Bunks.
Put it on that bunk and this bunk, and just ratchet it and see if that pulls it together. Be back. Hopefully this is long enough. think it's gonna be long enough. Aaron, can you hold that one right quick? Hold it right there. I want to see if it's gonna be long enough.
I think it will be.
Well, darn. Maybe if I go right here. That'll work. There it goes. And she is together now. What's the matter? Drop your snacks?
Drop my darn snacks.
You didn't go down with them, did you?
Nope, sure didn't. Not yet.
Couldn't go on that third or the second bunk here, so I had to go around that cross member right here that holds your log in. So I just ratcheted to it and then pulled it to. And it brought it in. So it's together now. And it looks good. We'll take a look at it from behind and see what we need to do. And then, Aaron, what do you think? Still looks like it's kicked over.
Now it's faced over this way, like slightly.
This
We'll go over there and kick it.
Yeah, right there.
looks good.
Yeah.
Gonna hook up our emergency stop, gas speed, and put our posts in right here where they're supposed to go. But when we do that, we gotta level them out and make sure they're right. Gotta put on our water jug, and then we should hear it running today. After we fill it up with gas and the oil. So, we'll see. Look back here. You guys want to come over here and look? What am I doing? Put that on the bottom of the nut.
Wait,
There you go.
me not understanding.
Alright,
Wait.
there you go. And then other way.
Oh.
There we go. Yay. Then you put this in back together through that.
Oh.
You missed it.
Get in there.
Alright, tighten it all the way.
Easily.
You're gonna be turning the top hand to the right.
I like this.
There you go.
This way. I'm squishing my thumb.
Yep. Okay. Pressure switch.
There's that button.
Figure out how this goes. I figured it out.
No, about fell apart, didn't it?
Yeah. Knew there was some way to do it. Got like a little groove that sets in. And you just turn it.
You know, that sun goes in, it's got a little nip to it up here.
Yes, it does. Aaron said it got down to freezing here last night. I don't know what it's like where all of you guys live, but in North Carolina, that's kind of cold. Getting 32 degrees.
That'll be in October.
And then just right here just not even the middle part of October, just the first week. That's like that. I'm gonna go around the other side. Tighten those up. Okay. Well, that's on. Okay. Well, I got those two things. What we got left to do now? What do you think? Just start her up, or?
No, you got to put that, you see that yellow thing over there in the box?
Yeah.
You got to put that on, and then the jug goes on top of it.
Okay. I'm not quite sure where this goes. It's a little tricky to get to. All this stuff in the way. tricky one. Right in the middle. I don't know how I'm gonna get to that.
Sound like a woodpecker, don't it?
It does. Aaron's back there having a little fun with a Bowie knife. After that last video you posted, people probably thinking, you hear that knocking?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a lot of woods out here.
Yeah. I've been up to the top of the mountain, right up that way. It goes up a good ways. Our parcel does. When it starts getting colder, I'll take you guys up there. Maybe me and Aaron will go on a little adventure up there and see if we can find anything. Find all the
Not real
land
tight,
markers.
because it'll bust it.
What?
It'll bust it if you tighten it up too tight.
It's not even tight.
Oh, it ain't? Okay.
It's still loose.
Uh-oh.
Hey, you are going to holler timber if that thing comes down, right? Yeah. Okay.
About went down, didn't you?
About did.
Was you gonna holler timber?
Alright, when I find these bolts that go in here, I'll put this guard on. But until then, I won't. I think this is my line for my water tank. So, pretty sure it is. Let's see where this goes. About all dry rotted. But I know this piece goes at the back. So you guys want to come back here and look what I'm doing? So, we're good, everything in frame? Alright. I'm gonna put this easy part on first. This one goes right down here. And it just slides right in. And you kind of line it up, get it where you think your blade's going to be running. And then we'll tighten it down with some Aaron's Allen keys. I'm going to run this up through here. Just because I think it looks better. Like that. Might need a little bit of water. Maybe. You good? I can't get it going a little bit further.
It's good enough right there.
It's off. And then that to be on. That's off. Okay. That's. Could have just shortened it up.
Well, yeah, you can do that, but
But we'll figure all that out in a little bit.
yep. When you put that thing in there and you kind of bend it down toward the blade, not always on the blade. because
Well, I ain't got nothing to bend it with. Well, I know what you're saying.
that copper pipe, you can bend it with your fingers. You know, all you gotta do is just like that.
Well, you don't want it to kink.
Yep.
There it goes. All right, now bend it down.
Bend it over to your right, because you can't go to the left because your log's going to be cutting and it'll be right there in the way. Bend it over this way a little bit where it drip on the blade. Alrighty. You know who Paul Bunyan was there? Paul, you know who Paul Bunyan is?
I've heard the name, but
He cut a bunch of trees there with an axe. You doing the Paul Bunyan thing today?
yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to get you an axe. So
That
you,
one took forever.
we had to get you a big old axe.
I don't know why that's coming off hard right there. Just precautionary. All right, turn yours. Wait, pull up on it. Dad must have done that one. Okay. Tighten it up. You have to change the direction. What do you mean? Like, just turn that. Like that? Turn it back to the right? Yeah. Okay. Like it's turn out. There you go. That'll work. How tight do you need it?
That's good.
That's good. I don't know if there's supposed to be something here to clean the rail, or they've got two of them for the front, but it does make more sense if it's just on the front, pushing the sawdust off the rail, keeping it clean. But we gotta lift this back end up and bring the front end down because it's on a slight heel. So once it goes all the way because I leveled everything up. That'll pick up some speed. You want to hear it run? Is that a later project? We're putting 10W30 in it for right now. Back out. Oh yeah, it's way over it. I shouldn't have put even that much.
Yep.
We know it's going to be well lubricated. Move all the stuff off of it that we're going to adjust on it later.
Yep.
should get us going. Won't put too much in it. Okay. Put it on choke. Let's run.
You got your gas on? It's on the front of it.
Okay.
I don't. Okay.
Let's see what we got. That's a stupid spot to put a pull crank.
Yeah, you can pull it straight out back this way. Oh yeah. Let it run just a few minutes, minute or so. Okay.
I figured it out.
What?
Well, Dad figured it out.
Okay.
This is on wrong, so I got to turn it this way. And then everything should work fine because it wasn't getting no gas.
You ain't got no gas in it. Hit the kill switch, see if it works. Yeah.
Well, they set a stop thing down there too, I thought.
Yeah, I just want to sit this here, you know, in case something goes wrong, you can kill us.
All right. Everything's looking good. I don't see it rubbing nowhere. I don't see nothing like it's out of place. I'd have to watch it, but I'm afraid to start it up like that. But everything's looking like it's fine. It's our safety switch right there. Cleans off all the wood shavings and stuff from the belt. So I'm gonna close this back up, and then about fail. Then we'll see what else we can get done to it.
We'll try that. Dang, I wish we had a tractor up here so we can get a log. And I hate to be digging over there and all them logs because,
Snakes.
yeah, old copperhead be in there.
Alright.
Whoa, you alright there?
You need some candy?
Where's the candy at?
I got you some.
Are you okay? Yeah. Cool. Hey.
You okay?
watch that blade when Aaron hits that button. Barely hit it.
All right, we're gonna get out of the way. We're gonna wind her up and see what happens. We don't know how that blade's gonna do.
Okay, all we got to do is get a tractor up here, throw a log on it. Well, not throw a log, but
So gently settle.
gently set the log on it, and put some water in here and maybe some detergent. You know, put some detergent in there so it'll help keep the blade clean. We'll try that and see how that does. And we'll probably have to do little adjustments to it. And hope it does good. What do you think?
I can't wait to get in here and grab one of them logs from behind us and start cutting.
Yeah.
I've got to figure out how to adjust some of this stuff, but it's a learning curve. We're learning as we do this. I think the first log that we actually do, we're probably going to measure out. This what, do about 16 foot? And what do we need up there for the cabin? About 15?
Yeah, we may, if we can't get no extensions for it.
Yeah.
We could put them, you know, the logs on that log, that V-cut logs we got right there, and cut the long logs.
Yeah, with the chainsaw mill.
But this right here is going to cut all our our flat wood, you know.
8-foot lumber and 10-foot.
Yeah, we'll make
like
lumber
that.
for this.
This is like for stud boards and stuff for the house and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Or stuff for the inside of the cabin once we get working on that.
And it is October the 10th, and it's chilly up here. Aaron said it got down to 32 this morning up here.
Freezing. Yeah, they had a frost.
And they had their first frost. They shouldn't have had it till late October. But we got to get the tractor up here. The reason we didn't bring it with us today, we had to buy a tire for the trailer because it was bald, and I didn't want to take no chances. Tractor weighs too much to be trying to jack the trailer into the tractor up too. So we went and bought a spare, well, another tire for it.
We went half on it.
Yeah.
Help each other on that one.
And so when we get down to the house, we'll put that on there and try to load the tractor and get it up here tomorrow. But that's all we got for today. And we're gonna catch you on the next one.
Oh yeah.
Catch you on the next one.